day with a smile so wide, with the warmth of the sun and joy inside. Housework awaits, but I'm ready to go.